Adishima mama mama high sanso amamo akwaba eba Coastal TV. So Coastal TV ejumedia ya tuni din say 11th hour project botaya a third chain and say making our communities even better. Let's leave no one behind. Nature say ekwan ya be faso a ye be die ewo oman mu ye mpotemu abra yenja obia eweche nti chese mpunto na ye hwehwe no ye di obia eka ho na ye nyu obia eweche enenso yatena se aye di dwumadie foforo kra fefefe e de bro ene de no yatena din se phone aton nature say ye beje wadwen share through phone calls na de ntene no ye ba betie mu ne mo nso mo waka ewo bebia yedru ewo 11th hour project ni mu ma mentwe mo adwen enko eche kakra ye previous broadcast and asa dwumadi ye di ne kane no ye ma omanfo no enya ne ntie se ne obeya a oman ni bedi ye ntino ye suade afa agroecology ho ekwan papa ye befa so ye kwadwuma abra ohaw bia eni achwe yenso a yebesanso ahwe gender equality in terms of natural resources ayewo ewo ye cross ye man so ye mpotem no ekwan ben so ne yebeche ama obia enye bia ye mema ne emma nyina no obia benya ne de na yenyu obia emfirimu na yesanso ebo asase no eho ban yesanso ehwe se 5 years to come, 10 years to come, no, or how be a assassin, so instead, wonana be, wenim, wonana council be bar. Assassin, I would dear Juma Sesiano, or no so everything media ye Juma, a bra, or how be Emma. And no, and ye ne MPs. Yane presiding members, our great extension officers, and nananum painful mukabia ye no, yano machuchun komani ajo madrin share afa natural resources, nature home, na ebesu bias na yenu bien sinchen, ene a quine pa or monsters or muyen painful mudi enimno. Omobe na yetimi etumpon na yedi ewo or maimu anase yempotem. Emreka kra etwemu ye call kakumdo ye de kakumdo na ye case study for obia nti se no se meka kakumdo a na nye se mayi be obia esi ho krobia esi ho na ye di nkomo na mkan hu se asem bia ye be discuss ewo kakumdo anasa asem bia mebo kakumdo mu ewo mu no eye wompotem na meka wasem nti kakumdo ejina homa ogwa kakumdo ejina homa abra kakumdo ejina homa mpotem bebre na nam say ntimi nko baabia nti no yeyi kroba akosi ho aye case study aye kakumdo ye no omokoye bibia ye frɛ no focus group discussion any community forum. Focus group discussion no eno ne edi nkan eye no first na no ye no na ye edom kakra bi na ye no omo edi nkita ho nti eno no ye no on the 24th of September na yakwaye no ene ye no omo ekwa omanfo no ekodi nkomo na ye cheche nsemu akye omo na sane ye be ya ye behu sane ye kakumdo ne tibia ne bobre ne mpempenso a aju esitie ntino ye no omanfo no eto aba na tio yeto aba ewo nsemfua ennan bi so nsemfua ennan no ne edi kan no ye di nkan eka se kakumdo ye oman a obia nye aduane di ema ne hoto no eno ye baako ne etoso mienu so ye kan se kakumdo kua ye omanfo eye no eye ne ebeboa omanfo no asase no ene emoa ewo mpotam ho se ne be ya enkofa ha obia emreye enu ne yesoso mienu ne etoso miensan so ye bisa se anase ye ka se ye baka kumdo akwadwuma a omanfo ne ye no eye de ye nananom edi nkan ye no ntino ekwan pa ye nananom edi nkan fa so no eno ana kakumdo eda kakumdo ye baabi asa wo ba mpunto omanfo ehwehwe no eye ne obia enya de chefa ewom na ye nyi obia insinchen na yetu waba ni wie na akwakọ wie se asemfo edi nkan se kakumdo ye kwa obi enye aduane di ye kura obi enye aduane di abra ne ho enhye no obi a agitu mu na omanfo no ekyekye mu ne nti a etesa na osa yesanso ebisa se na etesa de a ene na ekwan ben so ne yebefa ekom enkoba dabi ewo kakumdo yenkona nsemfo a omanfo no editu dwa no yenkona yenkotie bi
ye do ye mfaka me ka ya ntisi sa obi wo ho a ne backyard garden. Ewa. Oye dan utum udua Brazil ho. Utum dua baka lan kaka bi owo ne tie utum dua banchi na Brazil. Oye utum tunyi ma otu na uta oji chemicals bi anka. Na mum se ami udano jam na mi muhu dia so dua obodua bi dia woni ni tie no on pa chemicals bi anka na bia wana akwetutu kwan wo eyi no kokoto mo which way wa pa me na elo so akoto on nti ahaji ezibana yize this
Basade mbezi ntsa mbezi jo abakoma ishuza abakoma intama ona mdema mimi mango de no kokko skashi mo de otumo ko meje pai tele barasa skashi mo ko do nana motum mai nti eduride mombo bi
about 90 or 80% of the people in the country are working, even though when you government sector work, but we are also we are using one. So I don't know the say in 2 or to your satisfaction, maybe are you okay? We are using. Okay.
I come to my kind of sobano. I had Castana, Yawahano, and Habana Yayan war in 10 one of the 100% located Yendis Papa. Well, there, you move a brainano, Yako market, and Yako 20 Yebisi. And of this over, Ono Oppo and Manfocodo, no coffer by chain breads and as well as other.
How many one quick from? Pa now, Mumma day. Say, Quayan qua. Gana may be water. Into my baby, my boy, pa, only about oil some. Oh, yeah, why, a bad biabado, no woman, the dog, William, I want to win some women. No, what sounds with this car for the peer model, what the year, one shut down banging a wolf for me. Yado 9 years in Kakran so, and no caca, I want to wear an Ancastroma. Oh, Dawson. Yes, and Kakran said, Ya fan come on, so sitting. Na me kwadi no ye na lompo enfin ya Ghana hunter odruko be be oduboko ntan nyedi iziboko market obi yen sika kakra oda akotwa bi nti ommo amazi ne kwa afon sisi aye be nya nwen yorpe youth fu mu we bi tie bi o we sua bi we nya nyare ma ni so na papafui na ya aba na ye be enyi so nya ahom okofom nti amasa na pa de campaign from pay for still my dream no when you see we kwadwuma nti oba pension ahen so our dey na nyo banya ho no pension nti be maybe 65 years me da ho amodo enwa odi bi ebe na oha wadwen this can you ho so my pension kaka kai be ye kwadwuma na ahun
ode mofuma na wo bono so you have to introduce them, some of them to farming when you be an farming. You say they are a farmer, let's say, more than animal facility, at least, so them to say a baby and idea of farming. Yes, and you are. You are going to the tower. So I'm a Dominion in a Yama, you get a creature outside there, but if say a child or so at least not all of them police about 60%, 50% per child, okay. Me a farmer. The cabbage in motion of cherub, say chambers in war, then also take on. I'm going to check the Kamana, not so my damn sustainable farming or two. Even so on your crab, but still I didn't move away.
This is fire bonus, Mamma, my wonderful new fire in Rubone and Macassas. Senachi, Mofamano Moban, Mutina, and Ya, and what they know was the 2 hours to maybe don't make it.
Wonsemfo ennan ni nyina mu nso ne omanfo ene anya adwen eye asemfo etoso nan a na no ka se ye baka kumdo a obi enya ne chefa e wo mpuntuom abra ha obi a eni eja na ama anase abra ye nyi obi a ensi nchen eno no so no omanfo no ene anya adwen nti ye ko so bisai se eye die nti
wo hwe panyi ni bi na da nti n'enyim de o pedam ye dwuma kakrawa ebe yo ya wasase the time we were on one kind of a boy when we could do Yamani Minala. Oh, we do it. Nejin, a good training in a liar.
or more compensation.
No, that would have been first as no one tones. Well, any she would. I'm better to me. I mean, 1 million, but no, I mean, a bit to be a policy now what to do. Don't know so much young goes away when the only one of the
first nake yabakere na population ufo na last year more it say ebia baby ado na no kwa dey for the way but sisi a dey be there first nake ekọ ofutu do kwa na kwa ye kwa woni ya family communities but sisi a dia sora office den ko ofutu do kwa na ko land nti da me land na ye family nyina ye ton as no of dissident because we know the real estate na ntama obe hard dey be obi kere o pass as na say why e kwazo o da makero je na fa wa bra mutana e bia musu this commercial for me personal interest yeah dem no
na hemi na hebe da dan sisi na kwa ya farmland ni ko no nso kama nti no bia onya asase e kwa ha asase wo e bebo
action plan into no action plan no bibia se yeye ewo kakumdo a ebeboa amasa ohawi tisane obia enya ne chefa ewo kakumdo man impumso mu no yebetimi yeye firi ho na ebedu mmebi no obia benya ne chefa na omusanso develop action plan ebeboa emma ekom emba kakumdo asamba konso ana ehu hia ye pa nso eye plastic waste ene ekwan ya plastic waste ha omanfo nkanka ekuafo a ewo kakumdo nti ano nso omomomode no mun develop action plan aye betimi aboa me yetu plastic waste ase kra ewo kakumdo eno nso omanfo action plans o mun develop ye no yenko tie bi
acquisition ene job creation to say example this is that me dey land example say yeah ombe pe assassin for kakumu community even if somebody told me kwana someone told me kwana say make sure say
ebe bi nyan de nkankra da anyine kwafi yesre abane de ombo wahen anyine yezi yenho esiwo de yebeye ekwadwuma no yehia mbo bebre yehia sika yehia endur fertilizers na za yezi beye edwuma yehia sika yezi bobo epasisi ala ma hoazin kofom owoda haban na mmeye no mobopai a menyi sika nti montumi ya haban ne bebre nti ndur na ade na yezi ye edwuma aban wo brehini bia yebotum yeza ya haban ne bebre me edwuma no haban no so wa ya kase otodi bia hu nso a nya ha no odu mbiri a nsu nto nti nsu nto bu ne ye ekwa edwuma no ne ye no wa akofom so akofom a ina owoda ye edwuma ye no akofom ti besra abandon boba nkrase no webututu bohos oda ma ekwafo na wa ye edwuma ama se ewia no oba yenye nsu no bi na izaye edwuma yezi ye de ma edwuma na mfi de nyanta bakam ha nyina obia binya emboa efi da madrima ahocher onye nkahen ana otode ebien ekwana ye boduare de yenya asase nya wasa waya adan nti yenya asase a de bi meti na ye menanampo oba obutum wado wayedu ejuma na wezizi nti me basa banda me 75 wono ina abana nkasa owo na asase wayedu ejuma wazi no mundoba wozeba wotwa anso ekwafi yaze wozeka ho na ye wo abana obebi a wo fan 4th division owo UCC kwano do wazi eguro wakra woba mankom kotabi mezi ye eziban motan kokroma ha mezi no som de bi eziban nti sa aba no fa dam kwan no da ye benya bi aba no boy stores ankasa a yetum yakɔ yakɔtɔ aze akwenyi aye wedwuma nye osika kakrampo a ekwa ibutum enye bi adato azem na da ba ye ho ma wo so brɛbrɛ enya ndonte dam aban store bia nyi ho nti ye bra na ya bra me bi he ekwadwa na ye bɛyɛ aho na obaba abɔtɔn wo ba wa atɔn fofofo na wo dokɔ nti ye bra mpa ye ne ye ya na ye lose nti ye bɛsra abanda on bo amazem na dam aban stores no on bo amazem wonye na wonfom bo ahen na won bo amazem wonye agrek development wonye huni ye adwuma pa agrek fo na wo bi a wo ye adwuma wozi ndɔbɛn no wozi ba mani na wonye bi nde wonya asasa wozi ye dama adwuma nti ye bɛsra ga na abanda o mene nyonkɔ agrek fo hodo onwone na wozi ndur nnazi wo fa kwan bi do wo kyerɛkyerɛ hen na anyi so ekɔ afi yinye bi
leadership no owo eman no mo no na government obotu wa help nti we kesi for farming land for baby oda makamodo the kakumu community for farming land na ni nyala yakoho na yakai ya farming but as at now the nimpa na ye won ye do so asase ketekete na wa kan to all yes sufficient ma obi anu ho ntan ba nipa ye be there 100% no numu be 20 be 10% to be the land ma family e kwana ye benya eje tuan there ye be question no all ye second question be clear be first question fire a man who has sufficient land ma wo farm mo ho no ye product no wo trend one side for the biso or baba manum or the biso or baba manum so the can be an man who be nya hoto because obi anyi wa o se there we can ewo do akase ontu ade awo ho na sa ho be ye edwuma no ekwe ndoba no nya didi baba emanum nya na ya
Kunto bia obaye bia benya ne chefan on de on de sisi an Ghana ne se abahwa ansa na obende bia eye farming na ebe obo hu sisi an weska na ebe hu tisa abane pere bia bia anya ne chefa awlo obofom na oba bia grassroots won ehuna bia youth na won kase wo fi de bia won waje farming no na wa ba ebe yimpa no na ebe mfa yimpa na so ai bende bia se in terms of sisi ebe mfa la do yimpa no ebe use adar na adana SUSANA enwere waya adịbịa wee twem wasin kwa ba yo nti se bia technology bi oho bi butu aba na machine ga ka ba bia nyimporo butum na ebe mfa na oda ya na farming na no wetum na wabo nyimporo ma nyimporo so wetum oda ya na haba na oho akona oba fara bi ediban obaba ekomenye mban de awu wetum nya storage facilities in terms of there bia say ebe mfa na haba na eya ede na ediban baba sa dom dodo na so ye ediban na enwere ediban ogbogbu nti se edibanu gba wo wotum nye be bia obo store edibanu
plastic waste no ombo ahen nti ya basra abane de ai de plastic way use rubber na the bottles aba ma wa for kwani bi do plastic wo do ba ya oi azin oba ya mbra onye hoye so for them kwando de no orenye yes no that them plastic waste wuje ya kura
as said the man so wo koda na man mu wa ni ka na jama de what the ABBC bia de what the CCTV cameras or the ball and how bia what you read there be bogu enwa na wa capture ono so watching him pa be le to anete bia no pa wura for waste kasi infinity no pe mogu ja eyo plastic waste no eyo use eyo wom na content no na na za babotu on tigam sa onu je one my government what no band them plastic product ni ya
ekwana obutu wa force we ye for ende sisi adana eka na wo baba nta wo de bia government otum onya nkofo community bia mu de ebia mfa no onya nkofo bia bia wo be saw plastic waste ebia dam rubbers na ade nti ebia so ye ndo efa be le bia be chen ana binti ba wa amount a ebeja dam nkofo so won so ba fa nda won so o be hu adwuma won so be say waste na obakra ampa still o nkofo a wo be saw rubber waste aha ana so mpere so ntum so a aro mo ye ko paper bags ni.
Aha, nti babia ya dru no, kakumdoman mpunso a yen na ya hwehwe no. Obia enya ne chefa ewo mu. Ebesan so aboa ema bibi te se plastic waste ebeju baby no. Ye nte ho asem ewo ye mpotam na kyese ye beyi plastic waste efi ho kra abra ohaw bia eni ho. Wonso wodwen ho sen. Action plan ni mu de wo he na wo hwa eno be boa ye pa mu de wo he na wanigi ho a wo hwa ebetimi aboa ye. Na action plan say na medin kan no emu nia yin pa na officer e very useful to one kasa o community a otimu no. Nti eye agroecology, gender equality, ene kwan a e befa so abo ye mpotam ho ban asase no ho ban eno ho asem na ye kan sesi a tonso so betimi afre na wo de wadwen kire aba say na medin kan no ye ni wrong answer ene ye ni correct answer ye wo beka bia no na ye beje wadwen kire so na ye ne wo achitwe enkomo ma wo call ne mbra se ne meti ha meti wo call na metwen wo call na bank ma sorry ko an induma wo call ne mbra na ye ne wo entwetwe enkomo se ne ese efata kan wo se ye ne mo twetwe enkomo wi a ye be frɛ mpanyinfo a omudi yanim enti no ye wo ya agric extension officer ye ne no be kasa enche bia na ye presiding member so ye no ebekasa na ya na dwenkyerɛ afa nsema omanfo aka ne ne wankasa nso obeka yi ho se na ebe ya ye behu ne mpanyinfo nso afa sa initiative.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon.
Yo, into no
community one. If you mean you want to, I'm a man, but not get some more when why you're so born. But no, but my critic may do home again now. I'm a young man, you can take some man and mention, but when you my madam, Yaman way, Jay. I'm why you're so born too much. Well, I don't plan a walk meet. See, I said, Abanambra. Mamma shake my man, Wabra. They could take some man and mention, must when you be.
Yes, sir, yeah, baby, I'll cast free.
About from Araba.
Free, won't fear na a juma away.
But Abra.
Okay, free Abra. And Pasha, won't fear na a juma away.
But I see.
But I won't fear na baby a juma away.
About Chomotan and Namo Abra.
Yo. Into Pasha, I didn't share a year or my.
But I see.
I didn't share a year or my videos now and some of my.
Please, I never want to bring out fertilizer to what we could bring moment. Not so we get fertilizer that was here. It would be a yamana. Yeah, banana backgrounds, fertilizer family about the degree. There were a banana board and a fertilizer to come back to another therapy. Now, what you need, Mana,
Yo, now I didn't know bet me a catch a plastic waste no home. But I say, bet me a year few or not and higher.
What's the
but your plastic waste no what drink share one honey saying a quite bad soon officer say a fire a bit me ye few or not and call her your environment no.
Environment no.
I want to show hello. Okay, araba every line no so ma yenya wonso adwen hye sro bebia wo bia bomodin na frɛ sa wo fra ya dan ho adi udin bebia wo kasa free fa wo age eye mfi a wadi na fa adwuma a wo ye enso fa ka ho se ne be ya betimi keep records na yetimi dia ya report ntino yesre wa eye wo fra na wo de sa information ni na amaye na wa hye wa
so what from my lefua Ampocho if mo abominum.
You umpacho na adwuma we yes so yes so fa ka maye.
Ya na ha. To the America waste asemi. Nko be better. Do baba fa ko but one be fa. But body do we na ha. On load on odan. O mo bon fear too much. O bon he no do. O no do be you won be. Na wo be sha. Na mo farmer was the ball and book woman with a good food. So on ya say my hand. And to send us over to my baby, I'm a crack. The more boarding in I waste in Biala. This time in the waste in baby for the year in Zama. And now the bottle waste CD. No so called for none was the end Zama. And think your boy and cacra. I'm not telling them mother to also win. Also, she wasn't going to win him.
Yo, yada se we wadwen cha wonso odi aba. Yo, you go so aje. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
But you're here.
But
you're here. I'm walking out to one shop of the young. This is your woman.
Yo, yeah,
that's I'm the only the border. And I bought an other nose with summer, me to make a kind of one year. But they announced the trouble boy here.
Okay. Yo, yeah, that's so my yensaka waje ewie. What can we say number no that's why 0508206846 onso obetimi afre na yenya wadwenche enche bia ye ne empanyifo no ebedi nkomonti bomodin ama mensa nka wadwenche se ne be ya so mo fra at least ombetimi akasa fa onso o haw ne ho. Okay, and then na yebekwa kwaje aboafo nkratso ebesa basesi a.
Mido, you're not Biana. If I give you a baby, so every time I just say, baby, she. Mangashi.
Junior! Why? My wife.
Down, Yankanawa.
Ah, sister, course. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
Let me see your hand. How do I know God is real?
Can I trust the Bible?
What do I say when my faith is challenged?
Why does God allow suffering?
Is Christianity still relevant today?
In a world of questions, 25. Join us for a Christian apologetics conference designed to strengthen your faith and equip you with truth. Experience powerful keynote presentations and thought-provoking panel discussions. Take part in practical breakout sessions that give you the tools to defend your beliefs with confidence. The God Summit, November 13th to 14th, 2025. Afternoon sessions at 2 p.m. Evening sessions at 6 p.m. Register now at centralgospel.com/TGS.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we deliver. Thank you.
No, ye try and one but sima na ye besan atwa enkomo no so se na medi nkan kai no we eye fun aton dwumadi a ye di nti bomodin se baby awo bi a wo hwe ye free bia no obetimi afre na ye nsa aka wadwenkyere wadwenkyere no na ye begina so na ye bisa empanyimfo yi nsemfo a ho hia se na be ya o monso mbacho obi gina ho ma so hello good afternoon udin ni baby awo ka
But me work coordination of service idea. You work program na nya ajo pa na nya ajo. Na the way every plastic makes your community need the first person. And now my continue to come. All the machine we do na about you. But I thought about na for company na we check on the other side no come no. But so some na nya na bazaar. You have a time papa. It's so one na we say around the shibobi. One coming in. No one said that what the symbol is requiring. Now, you the brothers name.
You won't see all for containers, Mississippi, that's been sent by your beer bits made in Ura to man. Yes,
Papa said, the first thing before. She's a way dead. She's a plastic and water with some that that's been to us. Why a man around that the car, you want to come out of the car, you want to look and since I want to see another way to call my time.
Yo na adwenche ben so na obetimi a che ewo gender equality e ba ne se ye ka obi aka ho na ye nni nkrofo bi ensi nchen e ba efa no mpuntu a ye hwehwe na eno no adwenche ben na obetimi enyama ye
but as you know me
Mbacho ye hwe gender equality ekwa ye befa so mema ene mma nyina ebenya chefa ewo mpuntuom na ye nyi obi a ensi nchen eno so eden adwenche na obetimi a che wo ho
se mema ne mba no mbenya
obi a benya chefa ewo mpuntu a ye hwehwe ni mu aha
ni se nyi ma ye ko ni bia sa ba nyi ma ba de bia ba ye kan Yenye kumadia yambana mama nyina bibia ba yesa
yo ye da se pa se nwume awie wetimi afa na o me yenye adwenche
chira se ba yo da me ye fine pa mo continue ye why
yo enti komo bom na ne yeguso a ye bon 0508206846 bomodin na frɛ na yenya wonso wadwenche kan hu say discuss agroecology ekwan papa e befa so ekwe adwuma na how bia emba etwe na ye sanso discuss gender equality eba no ema ene emmema ekwan e befa so a obia benya ne chefa ewo mpuntuom na yenyu obia ensi nchan say eba na adwuma yemu eba no ye take important decisions bia ebe involve ema ne mema nyina na yenyu obia ensi nchan eno so ye hwe na ya hwe kwan e befa so ebe yi plastic waste so free empotem kra ama yempotem nso ahonidie mapa akoso ewo ho yesrewa abomodem yenya wadwenkyere ewo 0508206486 yenya wadwenkyere na yentumi emfanye adwuma ewie se medi kanka no enche bia ye ne empanyfo ebekasa na yadwe omoso adwenkyere afa yensa enka wonso wadwenkyere a owo ede emmaye Obi Janhumane so. Yo, ene na ye bekọ ye nim na ya bomodin ama ye nsa aka empanyfo na ye no mo atwetwe enkomo na ye di ye no mo di nkomo wie na se still na opesa wo frɛ na oni ye di nkomo akonya wo ho se ubetimi ayesa enti ne di kan ye bedi nkan akọ ye presiding member for Capecoast Metropolitan Jebedi ka akọ nchen na ye no akọ twetwe nkomo emre bi a etwem a enche ye kra no ye no edi nkomo efa ekwan a ye befa so a natural resources a obo ade na nkasa ede akyeye eye obo ade japade ode akyeye se ye asase say ye former goodie say natural resources ni nyina no obia ebenya ne chefa wo mu na yenyu obia nsi nchen no ye ne twetwe nkomo ebisa no na ono so ede na dwenche etudwa ye bebo modern na ya frɛ no na oni ye atwetwe nkomo afa adwenche a omanfo akye wo sa target actions ya ye hwehwe na ye de adi dwuma no ye try say ye benya no manu so nti si ye nya no pe ye betwa na tum na ye no edi nkomo fefefe sene etie Mamika on say you guso eji omanfo adwenche no nti no say asem wo ha opesa won kan ubetimi afre na woni ye akasa. Hello Honorable.
Yeah, hello.
Honorable Pocho ya mawajo ema o akwa baba Coastal TV so.
Yeah na.
Yo ya da so say wonya bre amaye. Na ye omo etwetwe adwin bebre efa action planner na say action target planner ye betimi aye efa no agro ecology won ekwan papa ye befa so na yaye kwedwuma a ohaw bia enkoba ehwe ye hrew ene ye nche adwenche kakra won so wo efa no action plans ye betimi initiatives ye betimi ateki na yetimi aye agro ecology wo kwan papa so yes hrew ene ye nche wo initiatives ni bi
Madam say kan mintia we tie funi wa hwe do fumira
obi ajo so
then they agree juma za sombo so da no we nyambe na we tie hon na yes oye juma za so da ma odenya hye papa a go to butumo aboma wana wo komba da butumo aye no butumo aye wo adwene pa ni akoma pa wo tumo aye say oye municipal ni metro udumorizi nofa oye nam agro ihwa ogbon peno wituma dedicate a lot of oye lanta oye be searching the land is a whole biare ni ho I wutum hono oye interested ana wodo pedo wutuna woko jumoza to the wutumna waye the maasuna kazi biare wunya wutuma abomu meza akoden ya kan oye mfujuma